You step in the ring with a southpaw, and suddenly nothing works. The angles are wrong, your jab feels useless, and you're walking into shots you'd never see coming. You've been told that get your foot on the outside. That's their game, and they will win it every time. In this video, I'm giving you the 3-step blueprint to neutralize the southpaw's advantages and systematically dismantle them with your orthodox tools.
Step 1. Neutralize the foot battle. The southpaw wants one thing: to get their lead foot outside yours. Your first job is to deny them this territory. This is not a battle for the outside, it's a battle for the center. You must use your lead hand and proactive circling to keep your lead foot aligned with theirs, preventing them from ever achieving their dominant angle. You are forcing a neutral ground fight where your orthodox experience is an advantage. The drill. The T-stance drill. Your goal is to keep your lead foot pointing at their center mass, forming a T. Constantly use small steps and circle to your left, away from their power hand, to maintain this dominant central position. Step 2. Delete their primary weapon. You've neutralized their feet. Now, you must defuse their most dangerous weapon. The southpaw's straight left is their sniper rifle. You must make it a non-factor. Your head is not a target. It is a weapon of evasion that sets up your counter. You must become obsessed with slipping to the outside of their straight left. This takes you away from their follow-up right hook and lines up your own power right hand. The drill. The slip and rip. Have a partner throw a slow, straight left. Your only job is to slip outside and immediately touch their shoulder with your right hand. Repeat hundreds of times. Slip and rip. You are programming an offensive counter as your default defense. If you're ready to turn your opponent's strengths into weaknesses, hit that subscribe button. We build strategists, not just brawlers. Step 3. Exploit their #1 weakness. You've taken their feet and their best punch away. Now, you punish them. The southpaw's open stance is their greatest advantage, but it is also their greatest vulnerability. Their liver is on the open, front-facing side. Your lead hook is not a power punch. It is a key designed to unlock their liver. It's the shortest, fastest path to the body's off switch. Your other key is the right kick to the body and leg. Their stance is open to it, and it forces them to react, creating openings for your hands. The jab to set up the lead hook to the body and the jab to set up the rear kick are now your primary offensive systems. That is the shutdown sequence. 1. Neutralize their feet by owning the center. 2. Delete their power line by slipping outside. 3. Exploit their open side with your lead hook and rear kick. Stop playing their game. Impose yours. Which of these 3 steps have you struggled with the most against southpaws? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to master this system, subscribe now. And to see the other side of the coin, watch my Southpaw Dominance Guide right here on the screen. To beat your enemy, you must know them. Train smart, stay ready.